Okay, they have a broken expansion tank. It's full, so you can tell water in it. So what we're gonna do first, checks the pressure. Make sure we know what's our pressure in the tank, and then we fill this up with air. Okay. Okay. See, this is the needle, like that. So what we're seeing is 69 to 70 psi. So I would say this is 69. This is not lined up. So I would add in my about 67 psi of pressure in this, because they come in at, they're pre-charged to, sometimes they're pre-charged to 45 psi. So I just gotta add pressure in it about 2 psi lower than this. That way it will work properly. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is shut off the main right here. Okay, then turn this back off. Okay, and then get the pressure out. Put the hose. And you just basically just gonna drain the water just to get out the pressure. Do that just to get the pressure out. Okay, and then next is this guy there, furnace. Look, this is another one that I gotta fix. Look, take it and hook it up. Look, crazy, huh? So that has to get connected right there. But it's an EU one. That's what we're gonna do. Change that out. So with this new one, it's tell you when it's broken or not. Okay, and this is set, I say picture to 50 psi, so we have to bring this to 67 psi. Okay, I gotta get my compressor and fill this up. So we'll just use this outlet here so we don't have to drag the compressor in the basement. Okay, our compressor is up to pressure. We're gonna check what's, it says it's 50 psi pre-charge, so we're gonna confirm and we're gonna add it up to 67 psi. That's our gauge right here. It's kind of hard to do it one hand, so I'm just gonna put it down. Okay, we're about there. I know you can see it clearly, but that's about there. That's what we need. Unplug this. Make sure I don't forget my compressor. Okay, I'm gonna post this and continue inside. I also check, make sure before I put the cap is I put our water, make sure there's no leak on the shredder valve. to clean up and put some strapping. That's why I don't like this. See, people do this pro press. I don't like it, you know. So when you have to do something, if you have to do like redo it, there's gasket in it. You cannot even like, you have no space to readjust or reconfigure it. If the customer is just want to change the expansion tank and don't want to spend money to redo this, you know, it's very hard, you know. So I give him an option to change the whole piping and, you know, have a strap element, but I don't want it. So what we'll do is just swap out. That's all you want, is swap out the expansion tank and pressure test it and pre-charge it to the right pressure. See, there's only water here, all air here. This thing is broken. See, it's full water in it. See, water in it. All right, that's good.